He wants to handle better, so putting some fucking BC racing coilovers in. Hey, they run around. What a riot, boys!
When I put mine on, yeah, I feel like that's way too high. When I put mine on, fuck that.
What are you doing?
What?
He's ready.
You're probably thinking to yourself, why is it dark and what happened to the rest of the footage? Well, anyways, I'm gonna catch you up on what happened within legit 5 hours into just doing the fronts. Omar decided to come over because he's done coilovers before. He's the group leader of us. Anyways, he decides to come, snaps a bolt, and that's it. We need to find a replacement bolt or else our good friend AJ cannot get home. So the boys grabbed their shit and we went down to Australia's #1 store where you just gotta find that one piece of fucking screw. Bunnings Warehouse. Well, they went to Bunnings Warehouse. Me and WRX LOL, we decided to go to KFC because we were hungry and we couldn't be bothered. If you're wondering, the chicken was amazing. Anyways, so put the fronts in. I just didn't record it because like we just needed to hurry up with the amount of daylight we had on the front and it was just pissing down rain as you saw within the start of the video. Instead of turning into a 1 hour job, it turned into a 6 hour job thanks to Homer. Round of applause for group leader.
Make get a rash. Call that genital warts.
What the fuck?
Please, hopefully wife beaters on.
I think we might need the jack to put pressure on it so we can actually pull it out. Because it's going to drop in the pressure.
Oh, yeah.
Is there a jack on this side or is there on there?
Yeah.
Ah, black car.
Fuck you.
I'm blinded by you.
Opening your...
Say,
Check out.
for a long time.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Because it's always been a boat here.
Water.
Oh, that's
There's
really
there.
Water.
Oh,
It's always either been a boat or a jet ski.
Water.
Or a freaking caravan that's blocking the...
Why are you pointing at me when you said caravan? I'm
Caravan was there.
I'm insecure now, bro.
A Rashid? I'm insecure. I'm a caravan.
If you don't tighten it, then you'll go crashing.
Hey, are you done?
Yes.
Can you drop it?
Yeah. You...
Watch out.
No, I haven't heard this.
Wait, before you drop it,
Does your one have the camera?
Yeah, help out the way, AJ.
Hold on.
AJ, out the way, don't worry about it. We'll do one at a
Just
time.
drop one. Yeah.
Get my pre-song,
Boys, watch out.
Oh shit. Beep. Does yours have the camera plates, Nathan? Oh, you feel me? Sorry. Can I go on YouTube?
Yeah.
Send me the link.
Oh, this is scary.
Fuck, no right.
Bro, it's so low.
Alright.
Hey, why is the rear creaking?
That's kind of scary. Boys.
Yeah, I know.
Can I take that photo?
Bro, look how low the back is.
I want to low run it.
That's fat.
Bro, that's sick. Look at the fitment, bro.
Hey, what the fuck?
Dude, that's low.
That's actually perfect.
Bro, that's perfect.
That's sick.
Look at this side.
That's actually sick.
That's perfect.
That's actually...
That's so good.
That looks mad.
AJ, it looks so sick. Look at this.
It's gonna get lower.
But it looks sick.
That's so sick. Happy? Yeah, Raz away, brother.
You can't even fit anything in there, bro.
Bro, you
You can't fit anything tips in
Bro,
there.
dude, that's can't even fucking low.
100%. Bro, that's fat.
Hey, they run around.
Alright, take the lens off. It's scary. Yeah, it's not even touching it.
Switching tires on two things,
Bro,
bro.
that is hilarious.
Putting coilovers on the jack.
Bro, the fucking wheel just rolled off, cuz.
Wait, here on the floor here. I saw it somewhere.
Dude, it's gonna be fucking low.
Oh shit, bro, I almost got a hole in the wall. Bro, it's twisting the car, cuz.
I don't know why, but I'm actually nervous. Is that weird? Oh my god, dude, that is fucking low.
That's fine.
Look at the fitness!
Bro, you need spacers, and then it will fucking flood.
He's wrong.
It'll be hectic.
Bro, I'm so excited.
How long is this to take?
You won't have no idea how excited I am.
That's just
Oh, Tristan, this is yours.
14.
Oh, wait, did we use wrong thing?
Oh, 19's over there somewhere.
BC Racing, sponsor us. Yes. Yes. Please, we need help. We need help. We need help. We need help. Isn't that right, Tristan? They should really sponsor us. Can you tell them why?
You shouldn't. You shouldn't at all. The reasoning is we've already bought your products, so why would you give us free products?
Nah, keep giving us free ones. We want free. We need help. We need help. Isn't that right, Tristan? They should really sponsor us. Can you tell them why?
You shouldn't. The reasoning is products. You give us free products.
Keep giving us free ones. We want free. Nathan cheat.
Had a fucking parachute. The parachute, bro.
Yeah, Chris. See that Evo? Yeah, it's fucking sick. I have a parachute. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come up.